Hi everyone, we are going to be have a quick live streaming session for helping the Key Stage 2 students, Year 6 students, those who are going to be sit for the SATS exam tomorrow and day after tomorrow. We have published arithmetic paper 1. It's a kind of a number changing previous past paper, predicted paper, and today at this time we are going to do paper 2, reasoning. Let's have a look of the questions. I will help you in live. Ali puts these 5 numbers in their correct places on a number line. 497, 513, 505 and 443, 553. So write the number closest to 500. That is the question. So write the number closest to 500. So if you put everything in a number line, right? So 500 is going to be here, right? 497 is somewhere here, and 513, 505 is going to be here, and 513 is going to be here, and 553 is going to be here. So, and one more number, 443 is going to be here. The only thing you need to understand, this is going to be a gap of 3. So this is going to be a gap of, what do you mean by gap? The difference. 497 and 500, the difference is 3. 443 and 500, it's going to be 57 difference. And 500 and 505 is 5 difference. And 500 and 513 is 13 difference. And 500 and 553 is 53 difference. So write the number closest to 500, which is 497 is the correct answer. Let me change the color to a blue color. So the answer for this one is 497. And write the number furthest to 500. This is 57 difference and this is 53 difference. So the 443 is far away from 500. So that is the correct answer. Question number 2. A pack of paper has 250 sheets. A pack of paper is 250 sheets. 12 children each take 9 sheets. So 12 lots of 9. So 12 times 9, you probably have a multiplication. 12 times 9 is 108. So 250, the question is how many sheets of paper are left in the packet. So 250 take away 108, it's going to be 4, and this is going to be 10. 10 take away 8 is 2. 4 take away 0 is 4. And this is 1. So 142 is sheets of paper are left over. And question number 3. And now this one is a timetable question. So 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 8 is 72. 5 times 7 is 35 and 8 times 7 is matching with 56. That is question number 3. Question number 4. This diagram shows 3 equivalent fractions. So the first one is 3/4. You all know that one. So write the missing value. So 3 is times by 3 is 9. And you do the same operation because it's an equivalent fractions. So 3 times 4 is 12. And now 12 and 24 times by 2. And you can do the same operation times by 2 to get 18 as the answer. And question number 5. Write each number in its correct place on the diagram. So 2, 4, 6, 9 and 13. So 2, 4, 6, 9 and 13. The combinations are prime numbers, even numbers and square numbers. You need to be very careful with the intersection region. What is intersection region? If two sets are intersecting means this intersecting regions belongs to both of them. So even prime number is 2. So you need to write the even prime number is 2. Even square number, which one is even square number is 4. And square number is 9, but that is not an even number. Prime number is 13. We can put the 13. And now the even number 6 comes in the middle. And that is the answer for the question number 5. Question number 6. Stefan's watch shows 5 minutes past 5. 5 minutes past 9. So the time is 9:05, right? So they didn't say anything about the evening time or morning time, so you don't need to worry about that. It's 9:05 is the given watch. But the watch is 9 minutes slower. So the 9 minutes slower, so the actual watches should be 9 minutes faster, right? So this is the actual time, the correct time. You need to add 9:05 plus 9 minutes. So if you add the 9 minutes, that 9 is add with 9:05. The correct answer is 9:14 is the correct answer. If they ask you to write that in a number sentence format, you need to tell is 14 past 9. Question number 7. 84 months, you need to divide by 12. In 1 year is 12 months. So 84 divided by 12 is 7 years. 48 hours, how many days? Is divided by 24 because 24 hours in a day. So 48 hours mean 2 days. 49 days divided by 7 is 7 weeks. That is the answer for the question number 7. Question number 8. Ken buys 5 large boxes and 3 small boxes of chocolates. Each large box of chocolates has 48 chocolates. Small boxes is 24 chocolates. So all what you want to do is 48 times by 5. You will get 5 times 8, 40. 4 remaining. 5 times 4, 20 plus 4, 240 chocolates. And then 24 times 3, you multiply this as well. So 24 times 3, 3 times 4, 12, 1 remaining, 3 times 2, 6 plus 1 is 7, 720. So 240 add with 72, then 2, 7 plus 4 is 11, 312 chocolates, right? So these type of questions are in the past paper. So just to make sure you practice, read the question, don't make any careless mistake. 5 large boxes, you times by 5, 3 small boxes times by 3, and you add them together. Question number 9. Jack choose a number. So Jack choose a number. We don't know what is that number. He multiplied that by 8, and then he add by 65, and that gives 185, right? So what you want to do, you need to do the inverse operation from here. So 185 take away 65, which is 120, and then you do the divide by 8. 120 divide by 8. 8 goes into 1, 8. 4 remaining, 40. 8 times 5 is 40. It's 15 is the correct answer. So you can show the working out as how I did in this given space. Question number 10. Each diagram below is divided into equal sections, right? Shade 1/4 of each diagram. So 1/4 means this is 4 section. 1/4 is only 1 section need to be shaded. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 section, 1/4 of 12 is 3 sections. So you can shade 3 of this section, right? And this one altogether 8 sections, 1/4 is only 2 sections, right? So question number 11, here is the number written in Roman numerals, right? C stand for 100, and this C also 100, so you add them up, right? And now L stand for 50, right? And now X stand for 10, IX stand for 9. Careful, IX means you take away 10, take away 1 is 9. So the correct answer is 100, 100, 250, 69. 269 is the correct answer. Question number 12. Here are the diagram of 3D shapes. Tick each shape that has the same number of faces as vertices, right? So I'm going to be write faces, vertices, and the sides. Let's study together. So faces, cube has 6 faces. Vertices is the corners, is 8 corners. Sides is going to be 12 sides. And square base pyramids is having 5 faces and 5 vertices, and sides or edges is 4 plus 4 is 8. Triangular prism, it's going to be 5 faces and vertices 6 vertices, and sides are 9. So 3 plus 3 6 and 9. Triangular base pyramid, faces are 4 and corners are 4 and edges are 6. Now same number of faces as vertices. Same number of faces as vertices mean this and this are equal. This and this are equal, right? So this is the correct answer and this is the correct answer, right? And now we are going to go for question number 13, please. So question number 13, circle the improper fraction that is equivalent to 7 3/4. 7 3/4, you can make this as a improper fraction. 4 times 7 is 28 plus 3 is 31 over 4. So all the numbers denominator, it's going to be 8. So you multiply by 2, multiply by 2. So this is going to be 62 over 8, right? So 62 over 8 is the correct answer. So this is the question already written here. So that is the answer for that thing. Give me one more second. I'm just going to be question number 14. Question number 14, complete the table. So complete the table. So the number 39,476 nearest to 10. So nearest to 10 means, right? If you round up to the nearest 10, 39,480, right? And nearest to 100 means, so nearest to 100 means is 2 zeros. So 7 is going to be give 1. So 39,500. And nearest to 1000 means 3 zeros. And the answer is going to be 39,000. Right? Rounding the numbers. So when it comes to rounding, if it is 10, you need to be look for 1 0, the first number. If it is more than 5, it will give 1, round up. If it is less than 5, and it's not going to be give the any number to the front, right? So Everyone, please remember, this is a kind of a predicted paper. It is not the actual paper you are going to be sit. The reason why today's live streaming is to make sure, to help you out, make sure going through the previous questions will help you and understand the question, then you can do well in the tomorrow's exam. It's all about practice. And when the question comes, you're trying to do it now, and if you can, and if you understand this question, it will be great. But we are not saying that means this is the exact paper you are going to be doing tomorrow, right? Question number 15. This thermometer shows the temperatures both in degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit, and work out the 35 degrees. 35 degrees is halfway through the here. So halfway through the 86 and 104. So we can say 104 take away 86. What is the gap? So 104 take away 86 is 10 becomes 9, and this is 14. 40 take away 6 is 8. 9 take away 8 is 1. 18, I'm going to do halfway through, so divide by 2 is 9. Either you can add 9 to 86, which is 95 is the correct answer. 95, or you can take away 104, take away 9, that could be the answer, 95. And thank you for Ashlyn and people who in the chat, and just to showing the keen interest on learning this one. And I will try to finish as quick as possible. You need to go to the bed early today. Question number 16. Large pizzas cost $12.50. So $12.50 each pizza, and small pizza is $7.50. And 5 children together buy one large pizza, so $12.50 they spend for large pizza, and they bought 3 small pizzas, so $7.50 times by 3. I'm going to be timesing by 3. 3 times 0, 0, 3 times 5, 15, 1 remaining, 3 times 7, 21, plus 1, $22.50. So $22.50 add with $12.50, which is the large pizza, add them up, 0, 5 plus 5, 10, and 5, and 35 pounds. So if 35 pounds divide by 5 children, and 7 pounds is the each child need to pay. And thank you, Hamza. Have match tomorrow. Yes, we are streaming because to help you out, that's all the purpose is. The vertices of the quadrilateral have 3 coordinates. So these coordinates is given. So 1, 5 is already drawn. 5, 4 is already drawn. Please try to understand minus 2, 4, how to draw that one. Minus 2 is the x coordinate. 4 is the y coordinate. So minus 2 and 4, and this is the point. And 1, minus 2 is 1, minus 2, x coordinate 1 and y coordinate minus 2. So you need to connect the line here and connect the line here and connect the line here, right? So that is the quadrilateral it's going to be drawn. That's what they're asking. Use a ruler. So make sure you bring the protractor, ruler, and all these compass sets and everything's in your pencil case. Question number 18. Last year, Jacob went to 4 concerts. 3 of his tickets are £8 each. So 3 tickets, £8 each, which is £24. And 1 ticket is £12. Add them together, £36. What is the mean cost? So mean means average, right? £36 divide by 4, and it's going to be £9 is the mean. Remember what is mean? Mean is going to be the total divided by how many tickets, and that is the average. Question number 19. A machine pours 250 milliliters every 2 seconds. How many liters of juice does the machine pour every minute? Every minute means that is 60 seconds. 2 seconds to 60 seconds, you need to times by 30. So this one times by 30 is going to be the answer. So 250 times by 30, right? You can do various ways. You can times by 10 and times by 3, or you can do the normal long multiplication, 0, 0, 0, and 0, 3 times 0, 0, 3 times 5, 15, 1, 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7, 0, 0, 5, 7. So 7,500 milliliter, and that is going to be 7.5 liters. So 7.5 liters is the correct answer. Very good, Ashlyn. You got the answers correct. Others, if you can, interact and write the answers if possible. Very good, Hamza. Hamza, I think like you made a careless mistake. It's absolutely fine. Go back and check. It's 7.5. It's 7,500 milliliters. You need to convert it to liters. It's 7 liter and 500, or 7.5 liters is the answer. Question number 20. Here are two triangles drawn on coordinate axis. Triangle B is a reflection of the A. So triangle A is reflected to B. The two new vertices are the 10 minus 10. So this coordinate is given 10 minus 10. X coordinate is not changing. Y coordinate, it's going to be reflecting on the x-axis times by minus 1. This one is going to be x coordinate, not going to change. Y coordinate is minus 30, right? And now what you want to do, this coordinate is going to become here. Remember, x coordinate is not going to change. So minus 15, comma, and y coordinate is going to be times by minus, so minus 45. So the answer is minus 15 and minus 45. That is the correct answer. And question number 21. On a map, 1 centimeter is a scale drawing, represent 50 kilometer. And the distance between two cities is 250 kilometers. So 250 kilometers is times by 5. So this one also times by 5, and the answer is 5 centimeter is the correct answer. So 5 centimeter is the answer for question number 21. Very good, Hamza. Your answer is correct, minus 15 and minus 45. And Ashlyn, your answer is correct, 5 centimeter. Perfect. Question number 22. Here are two similar right angle triangles, and this side is 2 and this side is 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is 8 and this is 2, and write the ratio A is to B. So we call this as a scale factor, right? So scale factor, it's going to be the bigger number is 8 divided by 2. So it's going to be 4 over 1. So if you like, you can write as a 2 is to 8, which is 1 is to 4, right? So A is to B. A is a small triangle side, so that is going to be 1, and the next one is going to be 1 is to 4. Well done, Ashlyn, and very good, right? So question number 22, and the last question for the day is this one. Amina made this cuboid using centimeter cubes, and Stefan makes a cuboid that is 3 centimeter longer, 5 centimeter taller, 4 centimeter wider than Amina's cuboid. Find the difference between the number of cuboid in the Amina's and Stefan's cuboid. Now I'm going to do Amina. So Amina's, right? We know what is this one. So we equal length times width times height, right? So length is going to be 6, width is going to be 3, careful, height is going to be 4. So 6 times, if you can, times 4 times 3 is 12, 12 times 6 is 72 cubes. However, this question is similar to the 2019 paper, as I wanted to understand, you need to understand this. we made a little trick on this question. It's not a exactly that question is every side is added to the 5. So when you are reading the question, please make sure you read it carefully, because this question, the volume is for Stefan's cuboid is different. 3 centimeter longer, so you need to add 6 plus 3 times by previous width is 3, the width is added by 4, so 3 plus 4, and times previous height is 4 and it's taller than 5. Careful, don't make any careless mistake. So 6 plus 3 is 9, times 4 plus 3 is 7, and times by 5 plus 4 is 9. So 9 times 9 is 81 times 7, and we can easily find out 7 and 56. 567 cubes, right? So now what we want to do, 567 cubes, take away 72, and take away 7, take away 2 is 5, and 5 goes into 4, and this is 16, take away 7 is 9, and 95 cubes is the correct answer. Right? Perfect. Ashlyn got it right. Hamza got it right. Jill got it right. 72. Perfect. And after that, you need to be find out. Make sure you read the question and you can do this one. So those who are having an exam tomorrow, I wish you all the best. Please do read the question carefully. Push your score a little bit higher than the arithmetic paper, because arithmetic paper you can score as much as possible, and after that reasoning paper, please make sure read the question carefully and underline and show the working out. Be careful with the 2 marker questions. If the question is 2 marker, you need to specify the working out. If it is 1 marker, you can straight away come to a conclusion and put the answer and move on. Make sure everything goes well tomorrow, and I will upload something paper 3 by tomorrow if I have some time. I wish you all the best, and if you haven't seen the previous arithmetic paper or the first part of this video, after this live streaming session, the video is going to be saved under the playlist, KS2 playlist. You can have a look and watch if you need some help. That's all. Good night. All the best. Bye now.